Hare Krishna devotees. So welcome to this tutorial video. In here we are going to learn the fourth variation of the Drut Keharava Taal. So till now we have learnt three variation of the Drut Keharava Taal or fast beat. So this is the fast beat 4. Okay, Drut Keharava Taal variation 4. So the second, third and fourth, these variations are almost similar. Why? Because the matra and the fingers to use are same. The first one is only different. We use only one finger. So hope you have now clarity how these beats are connected to each other. So please go back and watch the first three variation and then it will become very easy. So the fourth variation is the most easy. Okay. So the third variation, if you remember what we played is, lastly I told you, start from Dhe Na, Ghin Ate, Dhe Na Ghin Ate, Dhe Na Ghin Ate. Okay. So how it sounds? Dhe Na Ghin Ate, Dhe Na Ghin Ate, Dhe Na Ghin Ate, Dhe Na Ghin Ate, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Okay, so you can practice it. Okay, other time. So here it is like almost same, only we have to remove one na. Dhe Na Ghin Na. This na we have to remove only te. So Dhe Na Ghin Te, Dhe Na Ghin Te, Dhe Na Ghin Te. But after Ghin there are two gaps. Dhe Na Ghin Te, Dhe Na Ghin Te. This is how we have to play. So now it is almost similar, only now we have to remove. So but I will still show you again. So starting from Dhe. Dhe is big side open plus three finger close. Dhe, 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 Dhe. Then Na is one finger out. Na, Na. I will go little fast because already we have discussed this. Then Ghin. But as I told, Ghin should vibrate. The sound of Ghin should vibrate for some time. Ghin, 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 Ghin. Okay. So Dhe Na Ghin. Try to practice this first. Dhe Na Ghin, 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 Dhe Na Ghin. Then Te is one finger out plus big side close. Te, Te. So Dhe Na Ghin Te, 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 Dhe Na Ghin Te. So generally this is applied in the ending of the kirtan where the tempo become very fast. So the previous fast beat variation which we learned, in that more matras are there, so little bit complicated to play. This one is very easy. Dhe Na Ghin Te. So hand also will pain, little less concentration also we can play this. Okay, so try to practice this starting from slow and then slowly increase the speed. But at the ultimately we have to come up to the speed. So Dhe Na Ghin Te, 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 Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So try to practice this. How to apply in Kirtan, that I will show you in a separate video. For all the 4 variation I will tell how to apply in Kirtan. Okay. So for now, please practice all these 4 variation. This 4th one especially. Okay. And we are going to learn some more variation in the Drut Keharava Taal, which we use in medium fast Kirtan. I will try to show you some demo how it sounds. Okay. Ignore my hands. Okay. I may play some different. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We'll try to learn this as well, in which first it is like this big side is dominant, then the smaller side is dominant. Okay, so for now we end here. We'll meet in the another tutorial video. Hare Krishna.